Right. So now we'll do question number 9. He says in the following array of points, how many equilateral triangles can be formed whose vertices are the points in the array? Right. So this is my array. मैंने दो बना दिए because I need them. Now I need to find the number of equilateral triangles. Number of equilateral triangles. Okay. Let's start looking for them. Now usually our case is हम पहले इसको बेस मान लेते हैं, राइट. कीपिंग दिस एज द बेस, कौन सा इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल मिलेगा मुझे? हाँ, द बिग वन, राइट. एंड ऑब्वियसली मुझे एक ही मिलेगा बिकॉज यहां से भी करोगे इट विल बी द सेम वन, राइट. सो इफ आई टेक दी साइड लेंथ टू बी 4, साइड लेंथ 4, राइट, आई एम गेटिंग जस्ट वन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. दैट्स okay. So now obviously I'll go for side length 3. Now let's look for side length 3. That's the best I'll do. Right. Side length 3. So that means this is my base. अब check करें. If this is my base, my equilateral triangle would be this. Right. So 1, and that is 2. Right, and इसके parallelly, if I take this to be the base, I'll get 3. Right, so just see, inverted वाले भी नहीं है, उससे बनाओगे same ही बनेंगे. So I am getting side 3 वाले, I am getting just 3. Interesting. Right, now let's go for side 2. Obviously, the next scenario is side 2. So if side is 2, my equilateral triangle would be 1. Then 2, then 3. 3 मिल गया. Now 4, then 5, okay, then 6. Then 6. Now be careful here. अभी तक inverted वाले नहीं मिल रहे थे हमें, right? Now when the side length is 2, I'll get this inverted one as well. एक और मिल गया. I'll get just 1. इसके अलावा कोई नहीं मिलेगा. So plus 1. Right? Now last but not the least, side length 4, 3, 2, 1. Obviously, right? वो वाले तो बहुत सारे होंगे. Let's come. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, 10. Okay, perfect. Oh, inverted वाले तो देखे नहीं मैंने. Inverted वाले भी चेक करने पड़ेंगे because I think इस केस में inverted वाले होंगे. Right, so अभी तो हम straight ले रहे थे ऐसे वाले. Now inverted would be like this. Right, so 1, this one, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6. So I got 6 inverted ones. Done? Okay. अब सारी साइड लेंथ एग्जॉस्ट कर लिया, मतलब मैंने बेसिस सारे एग्जॉस्ट कर लिया. बट अभी बेसिस डिफरेंट भी हो सकते हैं. कम ऑन, हम डायगोनल्स भी चेक कर सकते हैं. नाउ इफ दिस इज द डायगोनल, मेरे पास दिस इज द बेस, दिस वुड बी द वन जो मैं ऑलरेडी कंसिडर कर चुकी हूँ. नाउ इन दोनों को ज्वाइन करके लेट्स ज्वाइन दीज टू. If I join these two, will I get an equilateral triangle? This is the one. 1. Again, I got an equilateral triangle. So I look for the other triangles which look like this. इसी टाइप के basically इसके parallel ढूंढते हैं हम. So 1, 2, right? Oh, 3. ये भी है. 3. Perfect. Any other? 3 मिले मुझे यहाँ से. ओके, इस डायरेक्शन से 3 मिल गया मुझे. ग्रेट, नोटेड. नाउ लेट्स लुक कि इस डायरेक्शन से मुझे मिल रहे हैं कि नहीं. लेट्स लुक फॉर देम. तो यू नो इफ यू डोंट नो कि कहाँ से इस डायरेक्शन से कैसे दिखेंगे. देखो सेकंड वाला मैंने ज्वाइन किया था थर्ड वाले से, सेकंड वाला ज्वाइन करेंगे थर्ड वाले से. अब मैं जैसे ज्वाइन करूंगी मेरे पास वापस वही आ जाएगा. राइट, तो यहाँ से नहीं स्टार्ट करते हैं. मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ यहाँ से. सेकंड वाला ज्वाइन करो थर्ड से. right? Third से, this is the one, एक और मिल गया, great. अब इसके पैरेलल ढूंढने शुरू करो. Again 1 2, इसके पैरेलली और एक और मिलना चाहिए. Yes, 3 plus 3, right? अब तुम यहाँ से करोगे वो सेम ही आते जाएंगे and इस ओरिएंटेशन में this is the end. 3 plus 3 that is 6 more. अगर तुम उस साइड से करोगे सेम ही आ जाएंगे. Look at the array of points. The array इस टाइप का है, it is triangular. तो इस साइड से करोगे straight repeated आ रहे हैं, right? अब 4 या 3 करने में बैठ जाना, देख लेना. अब the array is a bit different now, right? So this is done. Now let's look for more. First I join this and this. So how about if I join these two? Will I get an equilateral triangle somehow? Huh. Okay, 1. एक तो मिल गया मुझे, 1 equilateral triangle, right? Now इसी के पैरेलल यहाँ पे देखते हैं सेकंड एंड फोर्थ को ज्वाइन किया. सेकंड और फोर्थ को ज्वाइन किया तो सेम ही आ जाएगा. अब सेकंड एंड फोर्थ को, so if this is fourth, that means this one, right? And I will join it like this. Oh, star pattern, right? So 1 2, right? अब तुम बोलोगे मैम यहाँ से सेकेंड एंड फोर्थ अगर तुम लोगे it would be the same and second and fourth would be the same. We have already counted. Since the array is like that, we have counted those ones. Now we have exhausted this and this, right? If I join this and this, definitely I'm not getting an equilateral triangle, right? Exhausted, so join this. Then you need to see, will you get more of these? I don't think so. You won't get it, but you can do the analysis, and you should do the analysis. In case I have missed out some, you need to let me know, right? So let's add them up. So this is 4 plus 7 11 plus 16 27, right? 27 plus 8, that is 35. So in all, in this specific array, you have found 35 equilateral triangles. Done? Okay. So now we'll be discussing question number 10, which says, in the following array of points, count the number of circles passing through exactly 3 points. Okay. Number of circles passing through exactly 3 points, right? Okay, circles बनाने हैं. कैसे बनाए? Suppose if I take this point and this point, can I have a circle passing through these points? Absolutely yes, because these are 3 non-collinear points, and we know that 3 non-collinear points will give me a unique circle, right? So my question was counting the number of circles. Instead of that, if I am able to count how many sets of non-collinear points are there? No, sets of non-collinear 3 points, right? 3 non-collinear चाहिए होते हैं. So basically, if I am able to count how many non-collinear points are there, how many sets are there, my problem is solved, because I know from each of those sets I'll get one circle. Okay, so I just need to evaluate how many sets of 3 non-collinear points I'll get. Right? Okay, so let's start counting then. Suppose if I take this and this point, right? Can I take this one? No. Can I take this one? No. Can I take this one? Yes. But you know, one problem I'm facing, this is getting very confusing for me. Let's name it first. Let's name the points. So let's not be creative. So let's call this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. Right? So if I take these 2 points, A and B, right? Can I take the point C? Absolutely not, because these are collinear, and I know that collinear points will not give me a circle, right? So I can't take C. Can I take D? Absolutely not. A, B, D are collinear again, right? So I will not get a circle. Now A and B, can I consider E? Yes. A, B and E, they are non-collinear points, so that will give me a circle, right? Can I take F? Yes. G? Yes. I? Yes. H? Yes. J? Yes. That means if I take AB, how many sets of non-collinear points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from AB, if I take AB, I will get 6 sets of non-collinear points. And obviously I will be getting 6 circles. Right? Okay. So I considered AB. Now let's consider, we'll move in a very systematic manner because we need to count. So let's consider A and C. Right? Obviously A and C के साथ I won't consider B. वो तो वैसे नहीं करूँगी. And D भी consider नहीं करूँगी. Right? Collinear. Then A and C के साथ I can consider E, F, G, H, I, J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, if I take A, C, I'll get 6 sets of non-collinear points. That means 6 circles. So AC, I'm getting 6. Done. Okay. Now AC भी हो गया. Let's move to AD. Okay. AD. Right. Okay. B and C तो वैसे नहीं लेने. So AD के साथ E can be there. Yes. F. Yes. G. Yes. H. Yes. I. Yes. J. Yes. So how many? That is 6 again. So AD 6 again. Right. Okay. Let's move to AE now. AE. Right. AE के साथ calculate. So if I take AE, I can take F, yes, G, yes, I, yes, H, J. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if you're wondering why I'm not taking AE, why I'm not taking G, suppose this AE. Because then I was considering AD. मैंने E ले लिया था ना. Now AED and AD से same ही circle मिलने वाला है. So don't be foolish. Right? So if I take AE, I'll be choosing these points from above, not from below. Right? That means we are moving forward, not backward. Right? So AE is done. Let's go to AF. Let's see. AF. Now we have to be careful. So AF, G I can take, H I can take, I, yes, J, yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Done? So AF is done. Let's go to AG. Now AG, definitely I can't take H, collinear point. I can take I, yes. Right? Can I take J? A, G, J, they are collinear. So I can have just one circle. So AG, just one. Right? Then let's move to A and H. So AH, I can have I and I can just have I, J नहीं लेंगे, collinear हो जाएगा again. So AH just one. Done. Then let's talk about AI, artificial intelligence. So AI, so J I can take, so AI just one again. Done. Okay. So AJ, obviously we have exhausted everything. So A1s are done. So let's start with B now. So BC, obviously I'm not taking D. So BC, if I take, I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 circles. Then let's take DD. So obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. DD again 6. Right? So let's take BE. So BE. Along with that we can have this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So BE 5. Right? DE is done. So let's talk about BF. So I can take G, yes. I can take H, yes. I cannot take I, collinear. So 1, 2, 3. BF just 3. Careful. Right? So BF is done. Let's go to BG. So BG. Right? BG, obviously I can take H, I, J. So that is 3. BG, that is 3. And then BH. Let's move to BH. If I take BH, I can take I and J, so that is 2. Okay, and BI, if I take, how many possibilities? Just one, that is J. Done. So B is also exhausted now. C. Now let's move at a fast pace. I think we are getting the hang of it now. So C, D से start करते हैं. So C, D. So that is 6 again. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. C, D is done. C, E. If I take these two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So C, E, that is 5. Right? Okay. Now let's take C, F. Right? If these two are there, I can take G. I cannot take H. Collinear. I can take I can take J. So 1, 2, 3. So C, F, 3. How about C, G? That is the easy one. C, G, that will be 1, 2, 3. Right, then C, H. Now C, H, I can take I and J, so that is 2. And C, I, that will give me 1. Done? Okay, so this is all okay. Now let's see. D पे आ जाए. D, E से start करते हैं. Now if I take D, E, obviously I can take S, right? I can take G, I can take H. I cannot take I, collinear, and I cannot take J, collinear. So if I take D, E, I will have 1, 2, 3. So 3. So let's talk about D, F now. D, F. So if I take D, F, I can have G. I cannot have H. No, I can have H. Yeah, collinear nahi hai. So G, H, I, and J. So that is 4. So D, F, 4. And D, G. If I take D, G. So that is H, I, J. So that is 3. If I take D, H, that will give me 2. And if I take D, I, that will give me 1. Right? Okay, so let's move on to E now. So E, F से start करते हैं. So if I'm taking E, F, obviously मैं G नहीं ले सकती. So 1, 2, 3. So that is 3. Then E, G, if I take, again, if I take E, G, so this and this, I can take 1, 2, 3. So that is 3. Done? So let's take E, H now. So if I take E, H, I will have 2 options. So E, H, that is 2. Then E, I. E, I, how many options? Come on, I can't take J1, they are collinear. So E, I will get none. 0. So I won't write it altogether. Right? So E1s are done. Now let's move on to F. Right? Right. F. So FG if I take, so I will have 3 options, 1, 2, 3. So FG 3, right? FG is 3. Then FH, if I take FH, I will have 2, right? Then FI, if I take, so I will have just 1. FI, that is 1. Right? Fj say I will not get anything, so done. So F1 completed. Now G. So GH. If I take GH, obviously I can take I, but I cannot take G. Collinear. So GH just 1. GH just 1. Right? Okay. So GI I will have again this one. GI just 1, right? And J से कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. Then let's move on to HI, which will give me just 1. Again, HIJ. Done. So we have exhausted all the possible 3 non-collinear points, right? जितने भी sets बन सकते थे, we have written it down. Now, do you think this is the answer, or have we committed an error? Not error, but I think we have counted more cases. No? Come on, look at it. Look at the solution. We have done one, not tiny. That's a substantial mistake and we need to eliminate it. Come on. Okay, read the question again. Read it. That will give you a hint. So he says, count the number of circles. Okay, count the number of circles passing through exactly 3 points. The word exactly is there. It has to be 3. It cannot be 4. It cannot be 5. It cannot be 6. It has to be 3. हमने कोई ऐसे circles तो consider नहीं करे which is passing through 6 of the points or might be 4 of the points instead of exactly 3. Okay, let's see. Now suppose if I take B as the center and I have a circle like this. I will have a circle like this, right? This circle I must have counted because I have used the points of the array. But how many points? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 points. I said exactly 3 points. I don't need this circle. Definitely not. So that means I need to subtract the circle, right? I need to subtract. And एक और problem भी है. We have counted the circle multiple times. एक तो circle लेना नहीं था, and then you have counted it multiple times. So that means you need to subtract it. So let's see. कहाँ से बना होगा वहीं से subtract कर देंगे, right? So A and C. A and C के साथ I have taken G. I must have taken G, and I must have taken F. So with AC, I must have taken 2 circles. I must have taken 2 circles, which was 1 और वो चाहिए भी नहीं था. So AC के साथ I need to eliminate these 2 cases. So AC minus 2. The additional cases you need to subtract it, right? So AC is done. So AF first. Systematic. So AF I must have taken G. So that is just 1. So AF minus 1. Done. So AG, I must have not counted it. So A1s are done. Now let's come to C. CF. I must have counted CFG. Right. So CF minus 1. Right. CG, I won't have counted. And FG, I won't have counted. Right. So that means you have counted the circle. Additional कितनी बार count किया तुमने? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. You didn't need the circle and you counted the same circle 4 times. So you need to subtract it. Right? This was one such circle. Now there are more, as you can clearly see. With B as the center, I had this. What if I take C as the center? If C is the center, I can have a circle like this. Right? Okay. Now again, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't want this circle and you have counted it. That too multiple times. So let's see. Now BD. When I was counting BD, I must have counted the circle twice. 1, 2. So BD minus 2. Done. Then let's take BE. I must have counted this circle once. So BE minus 1. Done. So BF, I must have not counted this circle. So that is done. So let's come to DE. So DE, I must have counted it once. So DE minus 1. DE minus 1. Done. And DF, I must not have counted this one. So that is done. Okay, so this circle is also done. We have subtracted the cases. Now, any other circles? Yes, you'll be like, ma'am, D as a center of circle banao. Yeah, but वो exactly 3 points से जा रहा है, so that should not be an issue. या वो आ ही नहीं रहा है, ये वाला तो आएगा ही नहीं. Exactly 3 points से तो count ही नहीं किया हमने. Okay. So D as the center, we don't need to consider. E as the center. With E as the center, I can have a circle like this. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I don't want it. So let's see. So CD. With CD, I must have counted the circle twice. 1, 2. So CD minus 2. Right? Then CF. CF, I must have counted this once. So minus 1. right? Okay, so CF is done. I must have not have counted this, so C is done. So D. So DF, I must have counted it once. So DF minus 1. Done? Okay. So DF is done. D I say I won't get this one, and F I say I will not be getting this one. So this E as the center, I've exhausted it. Now let's come to S as the center. Now careful. With S as the center, my circle would be something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I said you need to count those circles which passes through exactly 3 points, and you're counting this circle as well. It passes through 6 points. I clearly don't want this one. You've counted this multiple times. So let's subtract it. Right, so let's see. So with BC, I must have counted this how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. BC 4 times. So BC minus 4. Right? Okay. Then BE. With BE, I must have counted it twice. 1, 2, 3. So BE minus 3. Done? So BG, I must have counted it twice. 1, 2. BG minus 2. So BG is done. Then BH, I must have counted it once. So BH minus 1. So B is exhausted. Right? B I say milega nahi. So let's come to C. CE. So 1, 2, 3. CE minus 3. Right? So next is CG. So that is 1, 2. CG minus 2. Right? Then comes CH. CH just 1. Right? CI nothing. Done. So let's come to E now. So EG. So EG 2 minus 2. Right? Then EH just 1. And EI nothing. So that is done. So GH 1. So GH minus 1. And GI must have not counted. So that is okay. And HI must have counted. So that is okay. So they exhausted this case as well. So this circle is also done now. Right? Let's move ahead. Now with G as the center, let's see. G as the center. My circle would be something like this. Something like this. Right. Again, it is passing through 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. I clearly don't want that. Right. So let's see. So AB 1, 2. So AB minus 2. Right. AF just 1. So AF minus 1 again. Done. So AH se milega nahi. BF. So BF just 1. BF minus 1. Right. That is done. BH nothing. FH nothing. So this is also done. H as the center exhausted. Now H as the center. My circle would be something like this. Right. So let's see. FG. I take FG. I must have counted it twice. FG minus 2. Done. Then FI. FI just 1. Minus 1. FJ nothing. So let's come to G. So GI 1. So GI minus 1. Done. So GJ nothing. This is also done. Well, this is fun actually. Right. So H as the center done. So let's take I as the center. If I is the center, my circle would be something like this. Let's count. So again 4 points se ja raha hai, we don't want the circle. So EF. So EF 1, 2. EF minus 2. Then EH just 1. Right? EJ nothing. So E is exhausted. So FH just 1. FH just 1. And FJ nothing and SJ nothing. So with I as the center, I've exhausted it, right? With J as the center, I won't get any. So I think we have subtracted the additional one. Can you locate any more circles? मैंने ये कर लिया है. I have counted this one, right? This one. Yeah, I think we have exhausted everything now. The circles which were repeating, we have exhausted them. That's a nice figure actually that is forming. Right, so let's count. So we have subtracted the additional one, but let's count. So this is 4, this is 4, this is 2, this is 2, this is 4, this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 1, this is 4, this is 2, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, and 0, 0. Right, let's count. Right, पहले वाले count करते हैं. So 4, 4, 8, 8 plus 11, that is 19, 19 plus 20, that is 24. You can count it any manner you want. मैं ऐसे count कर रही हूँ. So this is 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's see. See I. यहाँ पे 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Right, so that is 5, 5, 11. And I think I've done it. Let's see. We'll find out, hopefully. So this is 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. So that is 30, okay, that is 36, right? 36, 46, 46, that is 57. 57 plus 5, that is 62, yes. Finally, my answer matches. Right. So 62 circles are there that you can draw using exactly 3 points out of this array. Right? See, it was easy to count. It wasn't that difficult. It's just that you made me write so much, so that's why it took some time. But this question you would have done in about, what, 7 minutes, I guess, maximum. Right? And the cases that you eliminated, you'll be like, ma'am, isn't there some better method? The thing is, it is very easy to subtract these cases. Once you listed this out, it was very easy to subtract these cases. Right? So you need to figure out a system. There is no hard and fast rule. There is no hard and fast method that you can employ. No. When you read the question, you have to develop your own best method. The best, the efficient one. That will give you the correct answer. Right? So the next one. Alright, so now we will discuss question number 14. He says, in the given figure, count the number of ways of choosing 40 unit squares such that none of them share a common side. Right? Unit squares. First of all, obviously this is 1 unit. Right? Unit square would be this. It would be this. It would be this. Unit squares दिख रहे हैं. In all, how many unit squares are there? 81, 9 into 9. And obviously some are shaded and some are white. Right? Okay. And he says, count the number of ways of choosing 40 unit squares. Now, 40 unit squares choose करने हैं. Right? You have 81 unit squares. उसमें से 40 choose करने हैं. कैसे कैसे कर सकते हैं? ये हो सकता है मैं इन दोनों को ले लूँ, फिर इन दोनों को, फिर इन दोनों को, फिर इन दोनों को, this, 40. Any 40 you need to choose. Right? You can choose it. But there is a condition. He says such that none of them share a common side. Whatever squares you choose, none of them should have a common side. That means, अगर मैंने ये choose किया, मैं ये नहीं choose कर सकती, ये नहीं choose कर सकती, ये नहीं choose कर सकती. Suppose मैंने ये ले लिया, right? ये मैं चूज कर सकती हूँ। अब मैंने ये चूज किया तो मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, ये नहीं कर सकती, ये नहीं कर सकती, ये नहीं कर सकती, राइट। अब तुम बोलोगे मैम आप ये वाला करो, नहीं, ये इसके साथ कॉमन साइड आ रही है, तो नन ऑफ देम शुड हैव अ कॉमन साइड। 40 के 40 साइड नहीं शेयर करने चाहिए, एंड यू नीड टू काउंट नंबर ऑफ वेज। हाँ, and also did you notice, I'm sure you must have, some are white and some are green. How many white squares are there? 41 white squares. काउंट कर लो, नहीं तो कॉमन सेंस है। देखो 81 थे, राइट। अब 81 डिवाइड बाय 2 इवनली तो नहीं हो सकता, ऑल्टरनेटली है बट इवनली नहीं होगा, राइट। अब स्टार्ट व्हाइट से कर रहे हैं एंड एंड भी व्हाइट पे कर रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली व्हाइट वंस वुड बी मोर। So 41 white squares and 40 green ones. मैंने हिंट दे दिया तुम्हें। You need to think of choosing 40 squares so that none of them share a common side. Come on, right? अच्छा देखते हैं। अब what I'll do is, suppose मैं एक white ले लेती हूँ, right? फिर मैं एक अगेन व्हाइट ले लेती हूँ, फिर मैं ये ग्रीन नहीं ले सकती, ये ग्रीन नहीं ले सकती, राइट। तो मैं कुछ ऐसे दिख रहा है सिग्निफिकेंस, ऐसे कोई स्क्वायर जिनकी साइड कॉमन ही ना हो। कम ऑन, अगर मैं ये व्हाइट ले लूँ, ये व्हाइट, ये व्हाइट, ये व्हाइट, ये व्हाइट, ये व्हाइट, ये ऑल्टरनेटली है, तो ऑब्वियसली इफ आई टेक ऑल दी व्हाइट स्क्वायर दे वोंट शेयर अ कॉमन साइड, right? So I want to take, first case, I want to take all 40 square choose करने थे, white square, सारे के सारे white choose करूंगी, but the problem is मेरे पास तो 41 है, 41 white squares में से you need to choose just 41 white square, name कर दे A1, A2, A3, so until A40, A41, right? You need to choose all white squares, so that means इनमें से you need to choose 40 squares. अब कैसे कैसे चूज कर सकते हैं? Now one case, first को छोड़ दो, rest of this will be 40 in number, one case. Then second case, second को छोड़ दो, 40. Then A3 को third को छोड़ देते हैं, 40. Then similarly fourth को छोड़ देंगे, 40. Right? Then इसको छोड़ दिया 40, इसको छोड़ दिया 40. Now tell me how many these will be? पहले 1 को छोड़ा 40 मिनट, फिर A2 को छोड़ा 40 मिनट, देन लास्ट में मैंने A41 को ही छोड़ दिया। हाउ मेनी आई गॉट? 40. So how many they are in number? 40, 41. पहले 1 को छोड़ा था, 1 मिला था, सेकंड को अगेन 1 more, थर्ड 1 more, देन 41 को देन 1 more. So how many these should be? 41 days. There are 41 ways of choosing 40 squares from these white squares. Right? Okay, ये तो हो गया. Now you'll be like, ma'am, we can choose green square. If I choose all the green squares, only the green ones, they will not share a common side. You're absolutely right. Now, अब तुम्हारे पास green वाले हैं कितने? 40. अच्छा, 40 squares में से 40 choose करने हैं. How many ways are there? Obviously सारे के सारे लोग, there is just one way, right? So 41 ways वहां से मिले थे, one way यहाँ से, that means total ways will be 42 ways. Basic common sense question, ये सिर्फ क्वेश्चन तुम्हारी कॉमन सेंस चेक करने के लिए था कि तुम्हें ऑब्जर्वेशन होते भी है या नहीं।